we today? The future of fulfillment. In a world where artificial intelligence and automation are transforming industries at an unprecedented pace, many people, whether they're nearing retirement or just starting their careers, they're asking one crucial question. What meaningful roles do we have when our traditional jobs are replaced? The answer lies in redefining purpose and embracing new opportunities for contribution and growth. AI and robotics are excelling at repetitive tasks, data analysis, and even creative endeavors. While this technological progress brings efficiency and innovation, it also threatens to displace millions of jobs, leaving many feeling uncertain about their purpose and place in society. But there's a warning from history. Scientist John B. Calhoun's Universe 25 experiment showed what happens when social roles and norms break down. Overcrowding, stress, chaos. Society today faces a similar risk. If we lose our sense of purpose and connection, we could fall into a kind of social behavioral sink, where disconnection breeds chaos, loneliness, and societal decay. For younger generations entering the workforce, this shift can seem daunting, but it also opens doors to new kinds of roles that emphasize human qualities that machines can't quite replicate yet. Creativity, empathy, mentorship, community building, lifelong learning. Encourage continuous skill development, learning new trades, arts, caregiving, areas where the human touch and ingenuity shine. Community engagement. Get involved in local projects, volunteer work, or mentorship programs. Creating social bonds and giving back. Creative and human-centered careers. You might pursue careers in education, healthcare, arts, or the social services. Fields that thrive on human connection. And for you retirees, for those nearing or in retirement, the question becomes, how can we find purpose beyond our careers? Retirement isn't an end, it's an invitation to reinvent ourselves. Mentorship and teaching. Share your experience by mentoring younger generations. Guide community projects or volunteer as an instructor. You might also pursue a passion project. You could engage in hobbies or creative pursuits, perhaps gardening or writing or art, something that brings joy and a sense of achievement. Community leadership. You can take on roles in local organizations, faith groups, or civic initiatives. Basically, try to help shape a society that you care about. Without deliberate effort, society risks falling into a kind of social behavioral sink, where disconnection, aimlessness, and chaos take hold. Just as Calhoun's mice lost their social roles and spiraled into chaos under stress, we too can face societal disintegration if we neglect the importance of meaningful roles and community bonds. But I can already hear the comments. Good luck on those things, paying money and paying rent. More on that in the next video. To continue, a shared path forward. The key is to see purpose not solely in paid employment, but in contribution, connection, and growth. Yes, AI is coming. It's already here. And as AI takes over routine tasks, humans can focus on what makes us uniquely valuable, our ability to create, make mistakes, our ability to create, to empathize, to inspire. And what about the power of purpose? Finding meaningful roles in this new era can be a journey, one that involves redefining success and embracing new opportunities, whether that be through learning or mentoring or volunteering or pursuing your passions. We can build a future where everyone feels valued, and purposeful. So, as technology evolves, so too must our understanding of purpose. The challenge is to see AI not just as a threat, but as an invitation to reinvent ourselves and foster a society where meaningful roles are available at every stage of life, preventing us from slipping into chaos and disconnection. As usual, I'm curious to find out what you guys think about this. Please don't hesitate to share your thoughts in the old comment section below. If you've enjoyed the video, please consider sharing, subscribing. You can even ring that little bell for notifications. Until next time, so long from the channel at the end of the universe.